Hi there. Let's see if we can do a quick blast about this from Liz Tomey. It's a PLR product, 17 bucks, and it's called the Rabid Buyer Niche Marketing System. So the concept is that if people are really need something, I don't know, you hear about toenail fungus on TV, but if you started seeing something, if you started feeling pain in your toe, you'd be like, where was that? I need that now. Otherwise, you're not a rabid buyer. Rabid buyers are like, gotta have that, do anything. Think of Cabbage Patch dolls, that kind of craziness. Anyhow, there we go. We got 25 reseller licenses left and 17 bucks. Let's go up and show you what's included. There's a whole bunch of packages, and I want to just start with the components. Here we go. So the course itself, there's your guide. I'm going to skip that. You can read that. That's the whole 9 yards. And then the rapid buyer, the niche selection workbook. So this is the whole concept, the whole process, right? Matchmaker quiz helps readers find the business model that's right for them. If you like making videos, this could be the way. If you like writing, you could be a blogger, and so on. Monetization strategy cheat sheets, how to start making money in your niche. So you're doing the toenail fungus thing. What are you going to do? Well, you're going to, get an affiliate link maybe from Amazon or something like that, and then make up some toenail fungus videos, posts, whatever. Accountability tracker tells you what you're going to do week after week after week, and Rabid meter to keep their energy up and stay fired up. 42 Rabid buyer niche profiles give you some niches to look through. 165 plus pages. So this is, like I say, more than just a book. A lot more. Here we go. The sales letter. You're getting Reseller PLR to sell this. So this is you selling this product that you just bought for 17 bucks. You can turn around and resell it. And away you go. Here's all the graphics with it. And altogether, over 220 pages of content. And it is, I'm going to scroll down to where I was, 17 bucks. And again, you can resell this. It's a reseller business in a box, that kind of thing. So the link's in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You'll see the product box. You click that and you're at this page and you can grab it. You scroll down through the different components, and then you get to the link at the bottom. You click that and you can grab a copy. 17 bucks. I think I saw something. I'm going to go back to this just to make sure I saw it right here, which is they start with 100 reseller licenses, 26. It is, I'm going to call it noon, Western time. What am I looking for? What made me think I'm in the West? Pacific Standard Time. There we go. I'm in Vancouver, BC, Canada. So 12 o'clock noon on the 21st, and there's 26 licenses left. So when you come to this page and you scroll down to the buy it button, you can see just above it, they tell you how many licenses are left. And if there's none, you'll click the buy now and you won't be able to get it. So 17 bucks, you can resell this. So effectively you make one sale and it costs you nothing, and you're in 100% profit from there on in. So click the link in the video description, come to my site, click the product box or the link, and grab a copy of the Rabid Buyer Niche Marketing System with Reseller PLR for 17 bucks. Go check it out. Click the link in the video description and go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Click the link and go grab a copy for 17 bucks.